Hi, Brandon. My name is Heidi from Marketing Stealth. I called earlier to just let you know about three things that we can do to improve your website so that we can get you seen on Google and get you started. So let's go ahead and I'll give you some tips and tricks to get more customers in your door. So I was going through your website, me and my team, and I just wanted to reach out and let you know that I really love your logo. I think it's really cool. That's neat that you guys were able to do that, and that's a really cool logo. So on your whole website, that's really what drew my attention is that logo. Um, so my first tip that I want to give you is content. Now, I was reading, you have really good content on your website right now, very informative. I did go through and read everything on here. Um, One thing that I would suggest that can be improved is Google likes to have content. They like to see that somebody took time to put content on their website and also to so other people have are able to do more information. So on your website, I went through and I copied all your words on your website to see how many you had on there, excluding the numbers. And on your website is 322 words on your website. Now, again, Google really likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 when their bots run over your website. They like to see that you're giving your customers a lot of information. So the first thing to do would be to bring up the content on your homepage to about 1,500 words. The second, I looked over to see your competition over here. Now, your competition is the first one that I picked up on here on Google. So I put in a Google search on the top, carpet cleaning in Salt Lake. You do see that right here, this map pack right here shows like the top number one is Scott's Carpet. And, but if you go below them, you look at this one right here, carpet cleaning, quick drying. That's what I brought here. So I brought it up for you. Now, their website, believe it or not, has only 652 words. So as soon as you bring up the content on your website, you're going to be able to beat them no matter what. Um, Also, many people are searching for certain keywords, and I just wanted to show you this in Ahrefs. This is your competition right here. And they have 498 keywords that they are ranking for, but only 28 of them is actually buyer intent keywords, like somebody putting in carpet cleaning now, carpet cleaning near me. So even though they have all those keywords, only 28 of them right here is showing a buyer intent. But they are getting 478 traffic a month, which is a lot. So I went ahead and I put you in Ahrefs as well. This is a tool that I use. And it shows that you don't have any keywords or any traffic coming into your site at this moment. Another big thing would be citations. This is the second most important thing that I want to talk to you about. We call this I showed you a little bit the map pack up here, and I showed you how Scott's Carpet and Upholstery was up in the map pack, and that you can rank up here. Now, the map pack is what is your name, your address, your phone number, all across the web. So you might be wondering, how do we rank in the map pack? And I you have to have about a couple of these across, like on Yelp. I did pull up Yelp and I see that you are not even on Yelp. And if you were to put your business on Yelp, it would bring you higher in this map pack. And originally, you want to be in the top 3 to top 10 in the map pack with a website here. And just being in this map pack and having it done for you, you will actually get a lot more traffic than you would normally if you weren't in the map pack. Some people go through the map pack. Some people, like I did, will scroll down and pick the first one that's under here. No, what we want to do is we want to get you in the map pack plus being the number one right here. We want to get you in the map pack up here and down here. So how we would do that is we'd go out and get citations. We'd go to Yelp. Right here, we'd go to Yelp, we'd go to the Better Business Bureau and give you a couple of citations. Now, looking at your competition on theirs, down here, let me go ahead and click on their backlinks here to show you. Sorry, it's just taking a minute. They have these, see all these page traffic's coming in from these pages. Some of these are from the citations. So citations would also go from your social media accounts. So as you connect your social media accounts and you get traffic from there, it will actually bring you up higher in Google as well. So the last thing that I would like to talk to you is about these backlinks, since we're already here. On yours, it shows that you don't have any backlinks or any domains that are referring to you, which also brings you lower in Google's eyes, because it's kind of like a popularity contest. You don't have people like pointing back to your website, so Google doesn't think that you're very popular. And so right here, they have about 300 backlinks that they go to. And like I was showing before, they have about 14 traffic that goes to it. So what we would like to do is we want to copy them and their backlinks, but we also want to excel their backlinks. So they have like 137 backlinks. We want to go out and try to get 1,000 backlinks, but we want backlinks that are pushing power back to us. So this one right here, because of the traffic, it is pushing power back. So we'd go in, we'd look to see if this is actually a good website to do, and we could see if we could put your website on there. This right here, down here, it has a no follow link. The no follow links means that the page that it's on wants to keep all the power. And so even though this is bringing in 10 traffic, it is not a very good link to go after. So we would actually go and get a better link, and you would beat them with a better link. Coming down, this is another one, no follow link down here. No follow, no follow. All of these are not really sending enough traffic to their website, because the page that they're on wants to keep all the traffic for themselves. So they're not really, these three, the no follows, aren't kind of doing this website any good. So it would be very, very easy to beat them and to get your business up there in Google. There is some where, as you can see, there is no backlinks, the no follow links. So these ones would be, you'd go in and you'd look. I mean, they're only getting one person traffic on that one, 0 on that one, 0 on this one. So again, this might not be a very good backlink to go after. Just because they have a lot of backlinks, it's the power that's behind the backlinks. So going forth, I just hope that you will be able to take these and follow my advice, and maybe go ahead and get more content on your front page, at least 1,500 words. Go out and get about 200 to 300 citations so that you could beat out your competition by a landslide. You also want to make sure that you have more relevant sites pointing back to you to show Google that you have the authority. And really, if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. I'm so excited and for your business to get going. If you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, I'm totally okay with that. However, if you want the most effective route and save yourself the time, just give me a call. This is my website, and my number is 435-337-4840. Once again, my name is Heidi, and I am from Marketing Stealth, and I really look forward to hearing from you. You have a great day.